Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your e-commerce agency business. If you run an e-commerce agency, then scheduling consultations and sending quotes can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for e-commerce agency, and before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general message like hi, and a chatbot responds us with welcome to Spark Commerce, your e-commerce growth partner. We help brands grow online with expert services in Shopify, conversation optimization, paid ads, and SEO. How can we help you today? And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says book consultation. And it responds me with please share the following, your business or brand name. So here I'm going to provide a demo response as ABC brand. And now it is asking for preferred date. So I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And it says we have received your details as ABC brand, and this given date we will confirm your slot shortly. Next I'm going to respond with get a quote, and it says type of service you need. So here I'm going to respond with type of service like conversation optimization. And it says we have received your details as conversation optimization. We will confirm your slot shortly. Lastly, I'm going to respond with explore services, and it responds me with all the e-commerce services. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for e-commerce agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on add WhatsApp number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I have renamed it to WhatsApp Chatbot for your e-commerce agency. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Here, with the help of a specific pattern, which is this, we can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex, and here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Here, with the help of text button, I'm going to curate our first message like this. Our text will appear like this to the user, and here I have added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. With the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as this. Now we have to curate a response for each one, so let's begin with book consultation. And for this, I have to access action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and here I'm going to ask for all the consultation details. Like this, here I've asked for business or brand name. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I am going to curate another question box. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. And here I've asked for preferred date. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. And lastly, we are going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here I have added $name and $date. Because these were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual name and date sent by the user. Next, I'm going to move on to get a code quick reply, and for this I'm going to access, and for this again I'm going to access the question box, and here I'm going to add this that says type of service needed. I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick response, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to curate confirmation message with the help of text button, and here we have added this confirmation message. So lastly, I'm going to curate a response for explore services, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add all the services like this, which will appear like this to the user. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for e-commerce agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chat flow, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.